I became a judge in 2009, and I was on the bench for 13 years. Judge Linhart asked me if I would run the Veterans Court and the Mental Health Court, and I do that. I think probably I became a big advocate after my brother died. We grew up strong Catholic family. You know, we did everything we were supposed to do. You know, I was the Eagle Scout, first in my class, all that other nonsense. And yet I had a brother who was going out, getting pills, stealing from people, stealing my sister's wedding ring and diamond ring, stealing from my parents, in and out of rehab, all sorts of things. I tell him, I said, if it could happen to my family, it could happen to anybody's family. We're a small town with big town problems. And we have, you know, since where we're located, we have a source of substances that come here. People can sell it easier here. Unfortunately, it's a growing market here. There's always people who, unfortunately, want to use. Incarceration was always a default. We didn't know what to do with those people who suffered from substance abuse issues, who got themselves involved in the criminal justice system. And we figured wrongly that we'd put them in jail, they'd stay clean while they were in jail, and then they come out and they would be better for it. We have so many people involved in our system who don't have educations, who don't have jobs, who don't have money to speak of, who don't have transportation, who don't have stable housing. And we forgot that if we put people like that into prison, they're still going to have the same substance abuse problems when they come out. It's not like drugs aren't available in the prison setting, number one. But number two, even if they are clean, so to speak, or they are sober or not using in prison, they'll come out and they'll get thrown into the same environment and still have the same problems that everyone else has. Do we really think jail is going to fix that? No, it's not going to fix that. We give you structure, we give you a sponsor, we give you counseling, we give you hope. Hope for an education, hope for a job, hope that you can be a parent to your children. That's what a lot of people who have substance abuse issues, they lose hope. People don't get rehabilitated simply by going to jail. It would rehabilitate me. I'd be like, I don't want to be back here. But a lot of people, they don't have anything to lose. And then they go to jail and they come out and they're in the same situation. So how are we helping them? We're not helping them at all unless we try to do and say things that make a difference in their lives. Give people some sense of hope.